Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm Kelsi, your friendly neighborhood VSG friend, and I'm here to talk about my VSG journey and other things. It's my hope that through these videos, you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. And as you can see from the title of the video, we're gonna be trying on pants, okay? We're gonna be trying on pants. Listen, I have not worn jeans or blue jean type of pants, real blue jeans, in quite some time, mainly because my weight, I was uncomfortable with my body. It just didn't work for me. So I was in Walmart the other day and I was like, you know what? I'm about to go and see if I am able to wear jeans. The last time that I tried on jeans was about 4 years ago when I was in a size 22, 24 due to my stomach area and, you know, having to compensate for my stomach as well as my weight and everything else. And so I just started wearing leggings. I literally have lived in leggings and jeggings for the past 6 years. Because they comfortably fit my body. I didn't really have to worry about a lot of things. And they were comfortable. I mean, who don't like to wear yoga pants, leggings, and jeggings? No effort necessary. You know, I still only wear leggings. They just, you know, I just rock with leggings. Anyway, neither here nor there. I'm going to preface this and say, you guys, be kind to me. Yes, I have lost 100 pounds, but I'm still very, very self-conscious. My stomach area is such a problem area for me. It gives me the absolute blues. I look like I have a butt in the front, and that is definitely from the PCOS. That is definitely from the hormone imbalance, and it really has made my life a living hell. So it causes great body dysmorphia. It causes a self-loathing feeling that I cannot seem to shake. So, as I stated, be kind to me. You guys are going to see the full Monty. I typically don't show my stomach that way. I try to hide my stomach. I try to wear clothing that encompasses my stomach and doesn't make it so noticeable. So, please, if you don't have anything nice to say, you can keep strolling. You can keep scrolling and find another YouTuber to watch. My body is my body, and I'm working every day to change the damage that I did, and as well as, have a better self-image. So be kind in the things that you say to me, please. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. If you guys like it, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you here and be a part of my family. Also, if you would like to, please make sure to join my Facebook group. One bite at a time. We have some fantastic conversations about hard things. It's a safe place. You get to talk to friends. Sometimes you get to talk to me. I'm not on there as much as I'd like to, but I have some wonderful moderators who keep the conversations going. I love you guys. Ooh, hiccup. I just ate dinner not too long ago. I love you guys to the moon and back. You guys are fantastic, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your favorite pair of jeans in the bottom in the comment section. Give me some feedback, as long as it's nice. Okay? Bye. Hey y'all. So, as you saw in the video, I'm gonna try to shop for some jeans. I haven't worn jeans in forever, so I figured, let me come to Walmart, try some on, give it a go, and I'm gonna see how this actually goes. Y'all pray for me. So I picked up a size 18 in the Time and True straight relaxed fit, and I'm gonna get a couple more of like different brands because I want to see what I can fit. I got a boot cut in the Lee jeans in an 18 medium. And then I got a size 18 in the Sophia jeans. This is a super high-rise, curvy, skinny ankle. Let's go. Right, so we have made it to the dressing room, and I am struggling to get these bad boys on, but I'm gonna get them on. I am determined. Listen, I'm in here with this mask on, with this dress on, in this dressing room, trying on jeans that I haven't put on for over a million years. I'm thinking to myself, what the heck did I sign up for? But if you see here, I can't even get these buttoned, and I think these are the Lee. Yeah, these are the Lee jeans. They're supposed to have a stretch, but yeah, these ain't gonna work. Let me go on and get them off, and yeah, I'll be back. So the next one are the Time and True mid-rise straight. So I'm going to try these on. I'm hoping that they fit. These are also in a size 18. Because those first ones, those were not cutting it, baby. So go ahead and pop those on. Hoist them up over this tail and all that other drama. Like I said, you guys go easy on me. This is definitely something new for me. Hoist it on up. These seem to have a little more give in them than the other pair. Still kind of hard to get buttoned, I guess just because of my stomach area, but you know, not too bad. So we're gonna get those buttoned and zipped up eventually. Yeah, look at that. Gonna get them zipped up. Yep, zip, zip. Suck it in, sister. All right, so I did get them zipped, but this is what I was talking about, that weirdness in the front section. These don't look too good. It's like they're too big, they're baggy, and that's one thing I like about jeggings. Oh my god, look at this mess. Oh my god. They just I don't like these either. They're just not gonna work. So we're gonna get these off and try on the next one. So these next ones are the Sophia jeans, the super high rise curvy skinny ankle. I'm hoping that these fit a little better. They feel a little more like jeggings, but definitely still jeans. But I definitely have learned that with me, I need a super stretchy jean to be able to get the fit that I like. So here's to hoping that they fit the way that I want them to. So we're going to hoist those bad boys up over, and this is a size 18. And from what I can tell right here, they're fitting pretty good. They're definitely fitting like jeggings, but they could be a little tighter. So I'm going to get those buttoned and show you guys how those fit as well. They buttoned much easier, and these are definitely a super high-waisted jean. Like, they go all the way almost to underneath my belt, my bra. So I'm gonna pull down my undershirt over this and show you guys what they look like. Whoa, look at that Duke. These give me a little bit of a booty. Look, trying to fit. Look at I am so over myself right now, but no, really, these fit so much better than the other jeans, and I'm not as self-conscious in these, and they don't have that weird, like, droopy fabric. So I like these. These are definitely a high on my contender list. Look at that Duke-alicious. Look at that crack. Yeah, these are okay. They fit better. God. All right, moving on to the next pair of jeans. These are the signature Levi Strauss. I picked these up. I didn't show you these, but I thought they were really cute. It's a boyfriend cut. I've never tried on a boyfriend cut. This is also in a size 18. So we're going to try these on as well. Yeah, this is a different fit for me. Wow, I guess clearly I can't get the tag out the back. There we go. Got it hoisted on up there. You guys are seeing more of me than I thought you ever would. So we're going to get these buttoned. These are actually pretty roomy as well. Look and see. I'm like, yes. Let's get them buttoned in the front. It may take a little second, but we are going to make it work. Suck it in, sister. Get that zipper up. Get that zipper up, baby. Yeah. And, y'all, I know you guys are probably looking like, what the hell is she doing? But trust me, this is definitely a big step in the right direction for me. I was wearing a 2024 6 months ago. Seriously. Yay, I got it on. I'm so happy. All right, the next jeans here are the Sophias. Once again, they're in a size 16. I really like the way they fit, so I figured why not go back out and try a 16, because the 18 had that weird droopy fabric. So I was like, let's give this a go. Let's try these again. So I've got them on and they fit really good. I am definitely feeling myself in these, and look at that. Lord have mercy. Somebody please get Kelsi out this dressing room with these jeans, Jesus. So I got them on. They fit good. They definitely fit like a jegging. I don't necessarily know if these are a jegging, but anyways, I pulled down my undershirt. Look at this. Somebody please. These make me feel like I got a little bit of a Duke. I don't. Oh, it's so hot in there. But yeah, I was just trying to give a visual of what my clothing would look like, because I have on a dress. Never mind. I don't know what I'm doing. Please. Jesus, Kelsi. So yeah, I like these a lot. They're not the best fitting, or my butt doesn't look the best, but they look better. It looks better than it has ever before. Somebody, please. I got a little bit of a cheek. Not really. Oh my God. What is the? I don't even remember doing this. This is how bad oh my God. Please take the jeans off. Please, Lord. Somebody, anybody. Jesus. All right, so the last pair of jeans, again, is the super high-rise curvy skinny ankle. This doesn't have the split in it. It's just like an ankle that kind of just wraps around. I just really like these Sophia jeans. I don't know. And they're also in a size 16, because an 18 is actually too big on the leg part. It's the stomach part that's giving me the blues. So I'm going to get these on and take a look. Look at that. I got them on. It took a little extra work to get these on, I'm not going to lie, but they look okay on my butt. They don't look bad. Yeah, so I like them. I'm just kind of fooling around with them. I was in this dressing room for, I know, 45 minutes. I bet you the dressing room attendant was like, what do this lady got going on, Lord? Don't nobody even really know what she's in there doing. But no, really, this is my first time trying on jeans in a really long time. So I had to do what I had to do to ensure that, you know, I understood and that I liked what I was trying on. I just kind of tucked in my dress to kind of give the illusion of a shirt. But anyways, whatever pair of jeans you guys like the best, drop it in the comment section below. I got to get out of here because, I mean, here we go again. Please, somebody, anybody, Lord, gosh. I'm going to go with the Sophia ones. I feel like those I can actually make something happen with. The other ones, not so much. So the fact that I was even able to put on a size 16 pants and zip them up, not the second pair of Sophia, but the this is called the curvy ankle. I'm gonna get well, it's called a curvy ankle too, but it has like a split in the ankle. I like it. So I'm gonna get them. Woo. When I say your girl is wore out, I'm wore out, but I'm gonna go ahead and check out. I'll see you guys later.